video. Today I'll show you how to design this logo. And this logo for this logo we use the Pathfinder tool, as I told you in our previous tutorial video how to get use of that Pathfinder tool. First of all, get a shape, and here you can see different types of shapes that you can get: rectangle shape, rounded rectangle. For today lecture we use the ellipse tool, and draw ellipse. For making it a perfect circle, press a shift key. You can got a perfect circle, and now make copy of it, control C and control V, and just reduce its size. But to make it a perfect circle, press a shift key like this, and here you can move it to the center of the previous circle, and select both circles and just -1 tool. Here you get the shape. Resize if you want to, and click on the color tool and get its color as red. Same you can do, control C, control V, and resize it. Let's assume I want it a bit more. This one, color it as black, place it in front of the previous shape like this. Now select the both, and here you can see in the Pathfinder tool it's the divide tool. Click on this one, and now every shape is got subtracted. Now ungroup it. Here you can see that every separate file you can choose. Now select that the intersect part and cancel it like this, like this. And even if you like, you want to cancel this part too, select this one and cancel it. Here you get your shape. So just the size you want, you can keep it. Um, so the most importantly, it's just all about the imagination. Whatever you want, that keep that thing in mind and use different tools to design that. Thank you for watching, and kindly subscribe our channel. Take care. Bye.